What's up, guys? Welcome back. So last October 2019 I closed up the Monkmode box. Okay, today the 8th of January I'm opening it back up for the first time. The gates have been closed. This time is going to be way different. It's a 90-day program. Okay, for 90 days we're going to dial it in, get focused. Here's something to look forward to. Every 2 weeks, for those of you that join, I'm going to go live and I'm going to answer all the questions. All the men that join this private stream, we're going to come together, we're going to talk, we're going to work things out. I'm going to go live every 2 weeks, give you guys new missions, new challenges, and all that stuff. All right, so again, it's a 90-day program. A couple things you can expect. You're going to be working out. All right, so you need a gym membership. If you don't got a gym membership, well then don't join. All right, get a gym membership first. Way more important. You're going to be reading. All right, you're going to be putting on your boots and going out there and doing some actual work. You're going to be experimenting with, learning some new skills, trying some new things. So if you're comfortable with where you're at, then don't join this program. If you're busy with school, you got boards, residency, you got to study, don't join this program, okay? Because it's 90 days long and you got to be ready to buckle down and get serious. With that being said, it's very cheap, dirt cheap, less than this cup of coffee on a daily basis. Just stop drinking coffee every day, okay? Just give up your coffee, buy some coffee and put it at the house. But listen, every 2 weeks, again, I'm talking to you guys, you got to get serious. What else do I need to tell you? Oh, you got a couple days left. All the men that join, we're gonna get in and get started right away. You're gonna have access to the stuff and to the previous content. But again, don't come in here if you want to not focus around and you're only gonna do one thing and then say, oh, why don't I see results? Dude, it's 90 days. All right, it takes a long time. Things take time. So let's get to work now, get started, and I'll see you guys on the first live stream starting in about a couple weeks, okay? See you soon. Peace.